Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our social science chapter 1, Mesopotamian civilization. Let us know the definition of the word civilization before we begin with chapter. Introduction. What is the definition of civilization? The definition of the word civilization. Civilization is the word derived from the Latin word civic, meaning citizen. Hence, the settlement of group of humans at one particular place marks as civilization. Here are features of the civilization. The main features of civilization are as follows: development of towns and cities, establishment of governing bodies and laws, development of crafts and skills, evolution of language and script. Along with time, man learnt about course of nature. He learnt about rain, use of fire, sun, growth of plants, etc. Rain taught him about how plants grow with the help of soil, sand, and rain. He learned agriculture. Now there was no need to wander in search of food. Man cultivated crops for himself. For agriculture, he had to stay at one place long period of time. This necessity of settling at one place gave birth to permanent settlement. Groups formed villages, villages formed cities, growing cities needed to be maintained and governed. Hence, governing bodies say rules came into existence. Laws were made to maintain peace and order. People began to develop skills. Hence, new art forms, invention, script, writing systems. Major civilizations. During Chalcolithic age, 4 civilizations were emerged. In this valley, in northwestern parts of Indian subcontinent, Mesopotamian civilization on the banks of river Euphrates and Tigris in modern Iraq. Chinese civilization near river Hanghe. Egyptian civilization on the banks of the Nile River in Egypt. Why these civilizations developed on the river banks? Rivers assured regular sufficiency supply of water. Abundant supply of water, fertile soil, rivers as means of transport for carrying goods one place to another. Location and origin. The large fertile region between the river Tigris and Euphrates is called Mesopotamia. This region is also known as Fertile Crescent. The two rivers flow parallel to each other. During floods, the rivers overflow and deposit fertile mud on the banks of river. It is called, the fertile mud is called silt. The rich fertile soil enabled farmers to grow surplus grains. Why it is called Fertile Crescent? This fertile area between two rivers form as crescent shape, so it referred as Fertile Crescent region. You can look in the textbook the map of the Mesopotamian civilization. There you can see the crescent fertile region. There is image you can see the crescent shape of fertile region of Mesopotamia, land between two rivers in the map of your textbook. This civilization is believed to be originated in an area called Sumer. Here the cities of Sumer were well developed. To the northwestern side of Sumer were the regions called Babylon and Akkad, present day of Iraq. The highlands in the north were Assyria. What is archaeological sources tell about Mesopotamia? The royal tombs excavated in the city of Ur throw light on their belief of life after death. The cylindrical seal gives us important information about the socio-religious beliefs of Mesopotamian civilization. The seals found in Indus Valley suggest trade or relations between India and Mesopotamia. Let us see how the cities were planned in Mesopotamia. The city was divided into three main parts of sacred area: the walled city or mount, outer town. The sacred area or temple area had Ziggurat dedicated to the city's chief god. Each city has own chief god. Ziggurat was built on mount or a rectangular structure forming platform with a base of mud bricks that are 50 feet high. They were multi-story structures decorated with tiles, precious stones and marbles. The smaller temple is the Ziggurat were dedicated to other gods. Here is the picture of the city. You can see three divisions in the pictures: Ziggurat area or sacred area, walled city, outer town. This is the real picture of Ziggurat at the city of Mesopotamia. The area had offices of storehouses. The temple towers were also used as observatories, schools, granaries, and trade centers. The structures in the cities were made of mud bricks. The people resides in a walled city. These walls were constructed to protect the city from enemy attack. Houses were built along the streets. Every house had a courtyard and rooms around it. Another important of architecture structure during Mesopotamian civilization is the Hanging Garden of Babylon. Hanging Gardens was built by Babylonian king for his queen Medes because she missed the green hills and valleys of her homeland. Green hills and gardens. Garden was built above the ground level. They were known as hanging gardens because they were constructed high above the ground and split level stone staircases. It was like staircase garden. Jewelry from ancient Mesopotamia. You can see in the picture the different types of jewelry of ancient Mesopotamia used. Thank you, students. Follow the video. If any doubt, please clarify with me. Thank you.